go. Now she got... Oh, Jelana, can you help her, anak?
Please.
She's gonna fall. She's gonna fall.
Oh, da, da, da. Oh. Oh, I think it's two. Oh, what's that? Okay.
Jelana, now the doggy are so grumpy now.
Oh.
They're not happy anymore. Oh, they need to move.
I'm not happy.
They're so picky. Those doggy are not being happy. Why they're so picky now?
Look.
Okay, doggy. What's the name of the doggy?
Dog.
Okay, hold on. See, I can't hold it. Okay, there you go. Nice.
He has a water bottle.
Oh, perfect. Okay, there's the water bottle.
Okay, had two water bottles.
Okay, she's nice. She's happy now.
Happy.
Oh, the doggy wanna join. I will put it in the water bottle or no?
No,
Oh.
this is how you do it. Okay.
Oh, I didn't know you can do that.
You do this.
Oh, wow. Oh,
You do that.
that's really cool.
That you do it.
Oh,
That you do it.
wow.
That you do it. That.
Oh, that's nice. I like that Barbie. Oh,
I got it. I got it.
all good. Calm down.
I got you. I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, let go. Boom, boom, boom. Wee you, wee you, wee you. Wee you, wee you. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hi.
Good baby. You're fun. Good baby. Hey, you.
Oh, hey, I'm dog sitting. I got paid. I'm working right now. Wee.
Okay,
No. Oh, don't. What happened? Oh,
Let's see. Follow me.
Bestie, where you going? To the mansion? Hello, Mads. Kaloka man, uy. Naiwan na. Ito na si mga doggy. Buti pa itong mga doggy. Ay, doggy.
Follow me, Jody.
Oo. Tumba na lahat. Hello, Mads. Busy. Maglaro tayo. Are you busy? Jelana. Tada! Oh, enjoy siya. Wee you. Where's the doggy? Oh, they're not there. Okay, nobody's using this one now. Where's the other doggy? Oo, malaki na siya. Wee you. Oh, are you cooking? Are you cooking pizza? Are you cooking pizza? Ito pa yung mga doggy niya. Are you cooking pizza?